Hello everybody and welcome to Krista So Crafty. My name is Krista. Today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to take some little aprons, these little ones here. These were gifted to me, so I'm going to take them and I'm going to make them a bit more fun. So my two youngest grandchildren, I'd made them aprons, crafting aprons before, and they have outgrown them. So I thought these would be perfect. I'm going to take them and I'm going to put some vinyl on them, but I'm not going to put colored vinyl. I'm just going to do black vinyl, kind of like outlines. And then I went and bought some of these washable markers. So I thought if I just put the black outline, like not a silhouette, but like just the outline of the designs, and then they can go through and they can color them. That is my plan. So let's get going and see how these turn out. Once everything has been cut out, I'm just going to go through and I'm going to weed everything. Now, because of the size of these, they are pretty easy to weed. And remember, whatever your child or grandchild likes is what you can put onto these type of aprons. Now, like I said, these aprons were given to me by a friend. And so I just thought I would, make up a couple aprons for my grandchildren. If you don't already have an apron, which you can definitely put vinyl on an existing apron, but if you don't have one, you can also purchase one or you can make one. I did a video tutorial a little while ago and I will link it up above. It's for a double-sided apron, but you can definitely make it as a single-sided apron as well. But you can just go ahead and you can personalize it for your child or grandchild or for whoever it is you're making it for. They're very cute, very easy, and relatively quick to do as well. When I was choosing my designs to put onto the aprons, I made sure that the ones I chose had lots of open space. So for example, on this kitty one, the whole body, the head, the ears, the arms, the legs, the tail, they're all open. So the child can color them however they want. And there's lots of space for them to get those markers in there and to color them. So I think this turned out really cute, and yeah, I know my granddaughter's going to love it because she loves cats, absolutely loves cats and flamingos. So, these two things that I've chosen are just perfect for her. That's the other thing is, like I said, you can find whatever. Now, the kitty and the flamingo are ones that I just Googled on the internet and was looking for coloring pages. Now, when you're looking for coloring pages, because I'm not selling them, I just copied them or downloaded them and then I uploaded them into my Cricut and removed the background. Today I'm going to use my swing press to make these aprons. I like how I can use this, and it has such a large surface that it allows me to press the area and press it down without having to worry about if I'm missing a piece or not. So that's what I'm going to use today, but you can definitely just use like a Cricut press or just an iron even. That will work as well. So I'm just going to go and align my designs onto the apron the way I want them. I'm just going to put one in each corner on the bottom, and so then that'll give her lots of space that she can color around them. The one thing I did want to point out is please always use a sheet of some sort to protect your press, your iron, from the design. Now, I have my sheet attached onto the top of my press. As you can see, there's a little magnet hooks there's 4 of them, and that's what's holding the protective sheet on. So that's why I'm not putting one on, but please make sure you use a protective sheet so that you're not melting your vinyl or wrecking your garment or whatever it is that you're ironing HTV onto. Okay, so again, I'm just going to continue on and use my press, and I'm using a setting of 315 for 15 seconds, I believe it was, and this is just for this type of vinyl. Make sure you read your packaging that your vinyl came in to see what temperature and time you need to press it for. One other thing I wanted to point out is the vinyl that I'm using is a hot release, I guess you want to call it. So I remove the heat press and I can take the cover sheet off right away. Some vinyls you have to wait until it cools down. So again, check your settings for your vinyl, your HTV that you're using, and follow the manufacturer's instructions. And so here's the final product. I think it turned out really good. The kitty and the flamingo are just so Katie. I don't know how else to say it, but they are just so her. So now I'm going to start on the second apron, and this is for my grandson. His name is Jacob. I'm going to go and put his name across the top and put on his designs that I figured that he would like, and then this apron will be done as well. I wanted to point out one more thing, is that these items, these pictures that I'm using, these are ones that I found. I'm only using them for personal use only. I am not selling them. It is not a commercial use product. It is just for personal use. Please make sure that you buy your SVGs from a reputable source, and that you are following the guidelines that are set out. But like I said, these ones is just for personal use. And here's the finished product of the second one. I love these, they're great. All right, I want to thank you again for joining me today. I have finished the aprons, so I think they turned out so cute. Let me turn you around and I'll show you. Look at, but didn't they turn out so cute? And I think there's so much space, right, that they'll be able to color, whoops, dropped it on the floor, that they'll be able to take the markers and color them. And I think, make them their own. I think they're just going to be so cute. And then, of course, if they want, they can write little sayings or whatever all over the whole thing. So it's for them to do with whatever they want. I really hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. I am going to try to get a video of my grandchildren as they are coloring these. So keep an eye out for that. That'll be in an update video, I guess. But for now, we'll go with this, and I will give them to them, and I really hope that they're going to enjoy them and have some fun. So thank you again for joining me today. If you enjoy this type of content, please give the video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. I'd love for you to join us. And click on the little bell so you receive notification when I upload a new video. Thank you again, and happy crafting.